In the last period, we learned theorem of areas of similar triangle. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to the ratio of the squares of their corresponding sides. Suppose triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square is equal to QR square, BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. That theorem we proved in the last period. So examples on based on this theorem on page number 24, solve example. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC 16, area of triangle PQR is 25. Then find the value of ratio AB upon PQ. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Therefore, area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. So here areas given 16 and 25. 16 upon 25 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Then taking square root of both sides, AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. Taking square roots of both sides. Ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles is 2:5. If the area of small triangle is 64 square centimeter, then what is the area of bigger triangle? Assume that triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. ABC is smaller and triangle PQR is bigger triangle. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 2 square upon 5 square. That is 4 upon 25. But area of triangle ABC is given 64. 64 upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 4 upon 25. 4 into area of triangle PQR is equal to by cross multiplication 64 into 25. Therefore, area of triangle PQR is 64 into 25 upon 4. Divide 64 by 4, you will get 16. And product of 16 and 25 is 400. Area of bigger triangle is 400 square centimeter. Then it represents ABCD side AB parallel side CD. Diagonal AC and diagonal BD intersect each other at point P. Then prove that area of triangle ABP upon area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square upon CD square. In a trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side CD. Then take two triangles. In triangle APB and triangle CPD, PAB congruent PCD and PBA, APB congruent CPD, opposite side, opposite angles congruent, alternate angles congruent. You can take second pair of alternate angles also, PBA congruent PDC. The triangle APB similar triangle CPD by triple A test of similarity also, or by AA test of similarity. If you show two triangles, two pairs of angles congruent, then by AA test. If you show three pairs of angles congruent, by AA test of similarity. And when two triangles are similar, their ratios of areas of those triangles is ratio of their corresponding sides. Therefore, area of triangle APB upon area of triangle CPD is equal to AB square upon CD square. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. See practice at 1.4. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Let the areas of two similar triangles be A1 and A2 and their corresponding sides S1 and S2 respectively. Then S1 upon S2 is 3 upon 5 is given. So A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. Then take this S1 upon S2 in bracket square, because ratio of corresponding sides is given 3:5. Corresponding sides is 3:5. So we can, instead of this S1 upon S2, we can write 3 upon 5. Then bracket square. Then A upon B raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. Use that laws of indices here. That's 3 square upon 9 square. Here you can write 3 square upon 5 square. 3 square upon 5 square. That is 9 upon 25. Therefore, A1 C2 is equal to 9:25. The ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is 9:25. In second example, triangle ABC similar triangle PQR and AB's PQ is 2:3. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square. In this box, write PQ square. In this box, write PQ square. Is equal to here AB is given 2 square and PQ is given 3 square. So 4 upon 9. Then the third, if triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is 80, area of triangle PQR is 125. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. In this here fill in the blanks. Triangle PQR. Triangle is done only PQR is equal to AB square upon this PQ square, right? PQ square, AB square upon PQ square, a theorem of areas of similar triangle, and this is given 80, this is given 125. So this is AB square as it is, and upon PQ square. Then write this 80 factors of 80, 16 into 5, and 125, 25 5 are 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Then 5 cancel. This AB square upon PQ square is 16 upon 25. Then taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, taking square root, taking square root of both sides. AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. This is our third example. AB upon PQ is equal to 4 upon 5. The fourth example is triangle element similar triangle PQR and 9 into area of triangle PQR is 16 into area of triangle element and QR is 20. Find MN. Then triangle element similar triangle PQR 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle element. QR is equal to 20. MN is equal to question mark. 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle element. Then write this area of triangle PQR as it is on left side. Take into area of triangle element to left side, it will be divided to area of triangle PQR. Then write 16 as it is, and then into 9 is divided on that side. So area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is 16 upon 9. But area of triangle PQR, because triangle element and triangle PQR is similar, so you can take here it's given triangle element, similar triangle PQR is given. You can, if triangle element similar triangle PQR, you can write triangle PQR similar triangle element. So I have taken here. Okay, area of triangle PQR is equal to upon area of triangle element is equal to QR square upon EMN square, and this is QR square upon EMN square, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Here we get the ratio into taking element here and taking 9 into 9 here. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is equal to 16 upon 9. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is equal to Q bar square upon MN square, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Then putting the values of this, this area is 16 upon 9. 16 upon 9 is equal to this 20 square upon MN square. See that. So this QR square upon MN square, QR square upon MN square is equal to left side equal of that in that example. The left side is area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is 16 upon 9, and area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle element is equal to QR square upon MN square. So left side is equal, so right side equal. So QR square upon MN square is 16 upon 9. Then taking square root of both sides, QR upon MN is equal to square root of 16 is 4, square root of 9 is 3. 4 upon 3. Then taking QR is given 20, 20 upon MN is equal to 4 upon 3. Then by cross multiplication, MN into 4 is equal to 60. MN is equal to 60 upon 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 1 the 4. 4 5 the 3. So MN is equal to 50. MN is equal to 50. That is your example number 4. See example number 5. Areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter, 81 square centimeter. If a side of the smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the corresponding side of the bigger triangle. A1 is similar A2. A1 is given 225 square centimeter. A2 is given 81 square centimeter. S2 is given with area of smaller triangle given 12 centimeter. Find side of the bigger triangle. S12 is equal to question mark. A1 similar A2. A1 upon A2 is equal to S1 square upon S2 square, theorem of areas of similar triangle. 225 upon 81 is equal to S1 square upon S1 square upon 12 square, because side of smaller triangle is given, that is 12 square. Then 15 upon 9, taking square root of 225 is 15, square root of 81 is 9, square root of S1 square is S1 only, and square root of 12 square is only 12. Then taking cross multiplication, 9 into S1 is equal to 15 into 12, and S1 is 15 into 12 upon 9. 3 3 is the 9, 3 4 is the 12, 3 1 the 3, 3 5 the 2, 3 5 4 the 20. So S1 is equal to 20 centimeter. This side of the bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. And the sixth one is triangle ABC and triangle DF are equilateral triangles. Area of triangle ABC is area of triangle DF is 1:2. If AB is 4, find D is equal to question mark. Triangle ABC and triangle DF are equilateral triangles, and two equilateral triangles are always similar. Therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DF. And when two triangles are similar, their areas, ratio of area of those triangles is ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Theorem of areas of similar triangles. This ratio is given 1 upon 2. So the AB is given 4 square upon DE square. Then taking square root of both sides, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is root 2, is equal to square root of 4 square is 4 whole 2, DE square is fully DE, taking square root of both sides. With cross multiplication, DE into 1 is DE and 4 into root 2 is 4 root 2. So here DE is equal to 4 root 2. Then 7th example you try to solve and send me this homework. Okay.